Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are highly welcome. So I hope you are safe wherever you are and you're taking care of your skin and yourself entirely. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to take care of your skin, like removing excessive large pores. Now the thing is that large pores actually makes your skin so oily, okay, because when your skin produces too much of oil, it tends to leave your skin looking rough and all of that. So minimizing those pores is going to help your skin glow. Okay, so this treatment is for that. So if you want to know all of the full ingredients, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me walk you through into the video. Now to close up the large and open pores, guys, you're going to be needing to use egg. Now egg is one great powerful ingredient that helps you so much to close up your open and enlarged pores, and it also helps to firm up your skin. You know, when your pores is large, your skin is not going to be looking flawless. So what you're going to do now is that you'll be needing to use egg whites. That is just what we'll be needing, just the white of the egg. And then also you're going to be needing to use yogurt. Now yogurt contains the lactic acid which firm up the skin. Now with the vitamin E and C in yogurt, it helps to tighten up the skin, therefore removing and closing up those large and open pores, leaving your skin youthful and rejuvenated. So I'm gonna be scooping in about 3 tablespoons of this yogurt, and then we will stir. And this is beautiful. This is, look at how it is. Alright, so the next ingredient for this large and open pores is honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing remedy which helps so much to tighten up the skin. It allows product to get into your skin and it works really well. So tightening up your pores, you're gonna be needing yogurt. And yeah guys, I'm gonna be scooping in all of the yogurts into this treatment. And then I would be mixing it. Yeah, honey takes a little time for it to dissolve into anything, so you have to mix it and give it a little time, and then it will mix really well. So we're equally gonna be needing to use aloe vera. Now if you have a fresh aloe vera, you can use a fresh aloe vera, but in the absence of a fresh aloe vera, you can use this 100% aloe vera gel, which is actually very good for the skin. It helps to glow out the skin, and it also works wonders in removing all of those large and open pores, which is actually making your skin look uneven. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be pressing in this aloe vera, pressing in just 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. And then also I'm going to be needing to use coconut juice. Yeah, so if you don't have coconuts to produce the juice, you can actually use the coconut oil, which is equally very good. So this is how I'm gonna be doing it, guys. This is fresh coconut, so I'm going to be cutting it. And then I would have to go blend this, and I'll be right back. So here I have my coconut milk that I blended, and I'm gonna be pouring in about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk into this treatment. For an effective result, guys, we'll have to be putting in rice, because we need the results to be very, very effective. Now I'll have to be getting my manual blend and mixer and mix it up really well. And this is for a large and an open pores. Yeah, let's go and apply this. For this, you can actually apply it every day if you want. Okay, and it's gonna be really, really helpful and effective. Alright guys, so the thing is that when your pores are not minimized, your skin is going to be looking really oily and your skin is actually not going to glow. So this remedy is going to minimize the sizes of your pores. It does not mean that your pores shouldn't be there, because if your pores are not there, meaning your skin cannot breathe. When your skin cannot breathe, it's not going to be glowing. Yeah, okay, so do this, and then before you do that, remember to use warm water. This is a warm water, yeah, and remember to use warm water to dap your face. Now this is the trick. Use warm water at first to dap your face. Pop. Alright, and after which you've used warm water, I'm going to be telling you when you're going to be using cold water, because you've got to use just 2 temperature water, like okay guys, so you apply this onto your face just like this, especially on those area, and firstly on those area in which you have open pores. Okay, large pores. For me, I can't experience large pores around this area on my skin, but this area on my skin and this side, on the side, on the side, there's not much pores, but sometimes I experience oiliness around there. So for me, I would have to apply it all over my skin. Okay, there are some people who has normal skin, some people have a combination skin, some people have dry skin, some people with a sensitive skin, and some people with a very oily skin. So those people that has oily skin, that means the pores on your skin is large everywhere. And for those people who have dry skin, they will be happy, because there won't be excessive oil and breakout. But there will be a time in which your skin is not going to be shining if you have a dry skin. Yeah, normal skin and sometimes combination skin is actually really, really better. For me, I have a combination skin. Yes, because I have oil here and normal here. So if you have an oily and a normal, it's actually a combination skin. For the people who have normal skin, man, you're lucky, baby, because you are not going to be experiencing breakout, all of this stuff that we complain about. You're not going to be complaining it too much like we complain. Yeah, I was on the quest of having a glowing skin. That's when I started going to a beauty school to, you know, treat the skin. Yeah, that's why you see me, you know, show you all of those things. Yeah, okay guys, so after this is done, you don't necessarily need to scrub it anyways, but if you want you can still scrub, but if you don't want, just leave it and let it dry. And when it's dry, it will dry up your pores, like tighten it up, remove all of those excessive oil, and your skin is gonna be looking glowing. Anytime I do this, guys, the next day I tend to witness that my skin will be looking really smooth, like no excessive oil. When I make up, it's gonna look really, you know, really polished, and really, you know, the powder is just gonna still be there, unlike some oily skin kind of people. Before you even step out of your house, oil has overtook your face. Okay, try this and you're gonna be loving it. Yeah, wash it off with the cold water, like cold water from the fridge. Wash it. It's gonna be like, it's gonna be discomforting, but it's actually very good. Try it out. So that's it guys, go try this out. Close up all of those pores. If you have, I've said that in the video, okay, if you have all of those skin type, try this out. It's gonna be helpful and it's going to minimize those large pores. Yeah, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I would see you again, and ciao guys, and kisses.